Hey guys, I'm Zach Wild, the Tech Tip Guy, and today I'm going to show you 3 ways to fix a broken HDD hard drive. Just a couple things before we get started. If your data is really important to you, then take it to a data center where they have special tools and training to repair hard drives. Some of the methods that I'm going to show you will void your warranty. Lastly, I'm not responsible for any further damage done to your hard drive. Some things you'll need include a Torx 5-bit, a Torx 6-bit, and a Torx 9-bit, though I recommend getting a Torx 3 through a Torx 10 set. You will also need a driver and a small Phillips screwdriver. Some things you may want include a pick, a microfiber cloth, and a hard drive enclosure. This is a Seagate 1TB external USB 3.0 slim hard drive and has a unique way to open it compared to the standard internal hard drive. The tools you need for this include a pick, a Torx 6-bit, a Phillips 00-bit, and a driver. First, take the pick and slide it into the side of the top of the case and work your way around the edge. Be sure not to flex the top to prevent cracking the case. Next, remove the hard drive from the bottom plastic casing. To remove the bottom circuit board, take your Phillips 00-bit and your driver to remove the 6 screws. To remove the top cover, take your Torx 6-bit and remove the 7 screws. This part will void your warranty as soon as you pierce the white label. This is a standard-sized 1.5 internal hard drive from Western Digital. The method to open this hard drive is very similar to the last part of the Seagate drive. For this, you will need a Torx 9-bit and a driver. To remove the bottom circuit board, remove the 4 screws. To remove the top cover, remove the 8 screws. Once again, as soon as you pierce the white label, your warranty is void. On internal hard drives, the rubber seal may be stronger, so you may need a prying tool to open it. The first method to fixing a hard drive is to scratch the corrosion off the terminals connecting the bottom circuit board and the internal components. The second method is for when you open the top and you see the read-write arm stuck in the middle of the disk. Put 2 fingers on the center of the hub of the disk and 2 fingers on the read-write arm, moving the disk counterclockwise and the read-write arm clockwise. The read-write arm should move naturally. If you accidentally touch the disk and it leaves a smudge, be sure to clean it off with a microfiber cloth. The last method is the most risky of the 3. This method should only be used if the disk produces a loud screeching noise, like nails on a chalkboard. This method also has a high chance of scratching your disk, which would render the hard drive unrecoverable. This hard drive is not broken, so you will not hear the screeching noise, but you would bend the read-write arm up and down until the screeching noise stops. The top cover will secure this position. For this part, an external hard drive enclosure or nearby power connections will be needed. The power connections will usually be through SATA. Lastly, I have a broken hard drive here. By the way, if you want to repair a hard drive, then don't deassemble it and leave it on your wall for 6 months. This is what the screeching noise sounds like, and the clicking noise is from the arm failing to retrieve data from the disk. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.